Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Mediterranean pita pizzas. Cue the music. Alright, well welcome back and thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate you being here today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and then share this video and this channel with everyone you know. Like I said, we're going to be making a Mediterranean pita pizza. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We have got 1 cup of hummus, 4 pita bread that we're going to toast, cherry tomatoes, 1 package of fresh basil leaves, and 2 tablespoons of finely chopped sunflower seeds. This is a quick and easy recipe. The recipe is down in the description box below, so let's start making this up. Alright, what you want to do is, I'm going to do a half of this recipe because I'm just one person. I don't want to make 4. The recipe calls for 4 of these pizzas, so I'm just going to do a half just for me and 1 for later. So basically you're taking half of a cup of the hummus and you're spreading it on a toasted pita bread. I toasted these for about 7 or 8 minutes in the oven. You want them to be crisp because when you cut them, you want to be able to pick up the piece of pizza that you're going to have without it folding over and dumping all the ingredients. So make sure they're nice and crispy. Then you just spread the hummus right on there. And I got some chiffonade of basil, and I sliced up the tomatoes. Again, this is for 4, so I'm just going to use half of it. Just spread the tomatoes on there. Put that chiffonade basil right on top with dry hands. Hit it with the sunflower seeds. Here's the pizzas. I'm going to cut these up. I'm going to decorate them with some more stuff. We're going to do a photo shoot, music, then we're going to come back and give them a taste. Don't go anywhere. Alright, quick, easy, beautiful pizza, smell great. Pickled onion recipe is in the card right there that I'm showing you. And the recipe is inspired by the Forks Over Knife recipe by Sherry McConnell. So let's dig in. Beautiful pickled onions added on there. So let's give this a taste. Oh yeah. Where do I begin? The basil, fresh basil, awesome. Mixes so well with the tomato and the hummus. The pickled onion adds another layer of flavor in there. You can hear that crispiness of that shell when I bend it in half. You got that crunch of that, the crust and the little bit of sunflower seeds in there. Hummus gives it a nice texture on there. You can do a variety of different things with a pita crust. You just got to make sure that you toast it first, and then you can do a lot of things with it. Different flavors, different layers, different textures. Really good. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, leave a comment down below, subscribe, and then share this with everybody you know. Take care. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen.